Shanice Teresa and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I finally am doing a curly hair routine. I've had requests to do this video. I never thought to really do this video because one, I've never really been into hair. Like honestly, I've just learned how to take care of my hair because the truth is that my mother is white, she's not black, and I have none of my black side of the family in Canada, so I never was really taught how to do my hair. My mom just did the best she could with my hair, and back in the day we never had products that were really good for my hair. They didn't make curly hair products, we just kind of had what we had and did what we did. As I got older, we started using products from my dad's home country, which is Barbados. So when we would go there, we would find products that they have there because of course they would need products for the population they have, so I would bring it back here. But those products are not products I use anymore, and I finally got my hands on some good products for my hair that I've been loving the past month. So I decided to finally do this video because I actually do things with my hair now and I know how to take care of my hair now.
It only took you 23 years, Shanice.
I used to straighten my hair all the time and I literally can't remember the last time I straightened my hair. It has to be a good month or two now, which is insane to me because I literally straightened my hair every day.
When I say every day, I literally mean every day. And if you saw me with curly hair, that means I probably like fell in a pool or something and didn't have time to straighten it.
So today we are going to do my curly hair routine.
Why do I clap so much?
Most of the time it looks like wet curls, but they're actually not. So if you want to stay tuned and watch how I do that and learn what I do, make sure you like this video and subscribe, and let's get going. So first things first, all these products I actually got from my girl. Well, not my girl. I just pretend like she's my girl because I watch her YouTube videos all the time.
When you're lonely and have no friends, so you make friends up? Me.
If you don't know who Jasmine Brown is, she has the most gorgeous curls in the entire world. Probably like a month or so ago, she did like a curly hair routine, and that's basically where I got all these products from. Jasmine Brown has these products, so I had to get these products.
I saw Katie Heron wearing army pants and flip-flops, so I bought army pants and flip-flops.
So first things first, I definitely look like I just got out of the shower. If it doesn't, well, I did. So first things first, when I take a shower, I use the Hydrate and Revive Argan Oil and Morocco shampoo and conditioner. If you can see that, hello. This is what I use. And I've been loving it right now. This one's the extra strength, but there is just the normal one, which is probably what I'll buy next because it has bigger bottles, and this is running out real quick. I'm actually loving it. It's doing well with my hair. It's hydrating it, and like I said, like my curls, like this is my curls just out of the shower, which I do need to get another haircut because I do need to continue to cut off the dead ends that I have from straightening my hair for like 20 years of my life. No, not 20 years, but like the last 12 years probably I've straightened my hair, so it's actually kind of sad and it's really dead. So I did cut off a lot of it, but I still need to cut off a little more. But yes, so when I left the shower, I did leave a little bit of conditioner in my hair because if you have curly hair, you know if you know, like you need moisture in your hair. But I do, I'm fell back. Alright, so I don't know if you could tell, but my hair is a little different because I had to wet it again because I was rudely interrupted. Just kidding, I wasn't rudely interrupted, but I was interrupted, so I had to stop the video, and then my hair dried and I had to wet it again. So now we're back to business. So like I was saying, I do leave a little bit of that conditioner in my hair just because it just locks in the moisture into your curls, but that's not enough. So when I get it out of the shower, I usually add this Garnier Whole Blends Avocado Oil Conditioner to my hair. Hello, this one. I usually add just a little bit or a lot, like that much.
I focus this conditioner on the ends of my hair because that's where it's mainly dry, but I do put the rest all over.
Okay, so now that the conditioner's in my hair, this is where I add the next step, which I use the Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treatment. This is the avocado extract one. This is the 1-minute hair mask, but I do leave it in. So I do the avocado one. This one is for frizzy hair, so it dials that down a little bit and adds a little more moisture. So I take a good amount, if you can see that, just a good amount, and I also put that throughout my hair. Now that I I have all that in my hair, now I take the big tooth comb and that's when I comb my hair out.
Do I really need to show you how to comb my hair? No.
So this is where I put in my last product. This is probably the product that really helps with the curls. This is the Diva Curl Arc Angel Gel. This stuff is, hello. This stuff is on the pricier side. I got this off of Amazon. Everything else I got from just your regular drugstore. But this I got off of Amazon. It's a little more expensive. I think this is the bigger bottle. You can get a smaller bottle, but at the end of the day, it's not worth it. But I think this was, I want to say like $60 with tax and shipping. It was like $70 for this.
That's $70 Canadian, so where you live, I don't really know, but whatever.
But I swear on this stuff. This stuff is phenomenal. There's like a clear gel one, which I've never tried, but like I said, when I watched the Jasmine Brown video, she said that this, like, it's kind of like a brownier color gel. She said that the clear one, it kind of comes out flaky throughout the day. So she said she uses this one. She said this one's awesome. So this is the one I'd use. So I usually take one pump to start, put it in my hand, and then I focus this on the bottom end of my hair. And then I take another pump, and this is where I focus on the top part of my hair. Although I did put some product here in the back, it doesn't really catch the curls as much, but I usually add a little more product to the back of my hair. And then I just focus that in the very back hairs. Alright, so now all the products are in my hair, but there is one last step. Although if I do leave it like this and let it curl up, it does make cute curls, but I want to define my curls a little more, make them like real ringlets and like really defined curls. So this is where I take my Denman brush. It looks like this. They're like these plastic bristles. I also got this on Amazon as well. When you comb through your hair, it really makes those ringlets, and that's what I want. Although the Diva Curl Arc Gel really makes the curls look like still wet, this helps so much more. So let's comb this out. All right, so as you can tell, my curls are closer together. They're not as separated. So that's what the brush does. So I usually comb it all back like this instead of parting my hair, because throughout the day I switch like back and forth with my curls. So instead of making the part, I just like it to dry backwards so then I can do whatever I want throughout the day. So I'm going to let this dry and I'll be right back with the dried curls. And that's it. This is the final look.
And makeup just appeared on my face. Flashback Mary is shook.
As you can see, the curls are very defined. They still look wet, but I can tell you right now, they are completely dry. This is what I usually would go for, is the wet curl look. If I just wanted to make my hair a little bigger and less of the wet look, I would just run my fingers through the curls and like separate them a little more. That's where the volume will come from. But I love this look. I think it's really cute. I can't wait for my hair to be longer, because then just imagine so much longer, wet, curly, oh, dream of it. Hopefully all this stuff will help my hair grow, and not straightening my hair will help my hair grow as well. So, and it's summertime and I have no time to straighten my hair, because as soon as I step outside that house, my hair will be like this. And all that time trying to straighten will be ruined. So it's not even worth it at this point. It's summertime. It's literally 44 degrees outside Celsius, which is like 111 Fahrenheit. So it's hot. Like it's not worth it. So my hair will be staying in these curls, but this is it. This is my wet curly hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped you. These products are amazing. I know the Archangel Gel is on the pricier side, but I'm telling you right now, it does work, and it works wonders. So I will link the Denman brush and the Archangel Gel down below. Everything else I just got from my local drugstore, so you guys can head there just to get those products, but everything else I will link below. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like these hair tutorials, let me know. I know this was requested, so hopefully the ones that did request this video do see this video, and I will catch you next time. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Click that little notification bell so you don't miss a post from me, because you won't regret it, and I will see you next time. Bye, queens.
Yes, queen! Yeah!
Big tooth combed